took photographs from different angles of the site and then joined them together. The technique is called photogrammetry, and through that we established the existing elevations and the existing sections of the whole structure. And besides that, we also employed 3D scanning of the whole structure to accurately measure the structural cracks which was developed in the structure through time. And to do so, we employed a professional team from one of the most prestigious universities of Pakistan, and we did all those 3D scannings of the exterior and the interior of the whole cultural heritage site. We also tried to restore inside the Sethi house, and that work included different type of fresco works, woodworks.
The problem with the gate was that there were several cracks in the gate from moderate to large, and the cracks were widely distributed in the structure. And as the structure was 600 years old, therefore the main challenge of the restoration was to devise some mechanism in order to restore the structure to its pre-damaged state. There was some leakage from the water supply, sanitary, and rainwater drains. And this leakage was going into the underground clay, and the clay after mixing with water became very soft, and the softness of the clay basically was causing this settlement. So once we discovered this settlement cause, then immediately we instructed the archaeology department to reroute all the pipes, and to completely open and free the area of the western gate.
Conservation work of the Western Gate and Sethi House is extremely important for the citizen of Peshawar and for the citizen of Pakistan in many ways. Thanks to Gerda Henkel Stiftung who supported this project, today we are here to see this building in its rehabilitated form. Let me narrate the story why this building is extremely important for us, because it is located at the center, at the heart of Peshawar city. Peshawar is 2,500 years old city. And this building, which is behind me, is 3,500 years old, and it was in extremely shabby and bad condition. With the passage of time, with so many obvious reasons, it was deteriorating. Almost 20,000 people are living around this building, and it was extremely dangerous for them to live with this building. It could fall anytime. But thanks to the German ambassador, the then German ambassador Martin Kobler, who visited this heritage site a few years ago, and he encouraged and suggested that we should apply for the Gerda Henkel Stiftung, who is very much active to support heritage conservation throughout the world. And now this project is completed and it is open for public. Nationally and internationally, people are visiting this site, and it has been rehabilitated. We are receiving almost 500 to 600 people, tourists every day here. This building, the rehabilitation of this building is playing a vital role in promotion of heritage tourism in Pakistan.